In the quiet mountain forests, a gentle spirit moves silently among the trees.
With its soft fur and curious eyes, the red panda is one of the forest's most charming inhabitants.
An expert climber, it spends most of its life in trees, using its tail for balance. Master of balance.
Though classified as a carnivore, it prefers bamboo, fruits, and small insects.
It carefully uses its paws to handle food with remarkable precision.
It sleeps curled up, high above the ground, safe from predators.
A quiet life, hidden in the forest canopy. Protect their home.